In this video you learn how to recreate this classic Commodore 64 game. This video is part 4 of a series. In this part you learn how to create graphical effects. If you have missed the previous parts of this tutorial, click here to start at the beginning. Otherwise, let's go. When a character is typed away, it seems to dissolve. Alex calls this the confetti effect and will add it to the game now. The confetti is actually a small animation of 4 blocks that need to be started when a character is typed away. To bundle the code for this, Alex adds a new class to the system. The class initializer takes a position where to start the confetti. The confetti consists of 4 rectangles that start at the same position. Rectangle needs to be imported. Alex creates a draw function to draw the rectangles. And uses the confetti class. Each new game creates an empty list of confetti instances. They need to be drawn, and finally, an instance of confetti is created when a character is typed away. Alex needs to get a reference to the first character. And when the character is removed from the screen, the confetti instance is added to the list of confetti. Alex wants to know if this works and starts the game. It does work, and now the confetti can be animated. First, Alex lets them fall. For this, he needs to store the initial y value and an animation time. Alex creates an update method that takes delta time. Notice the power operation. This will create a parabolic function. Alex updates the confetti and starts the game to show what it looks like. Very nice. All Alex needs to do now is add some randomness to the movement to finish the animation. He creates random values for x directions and falling speeds. Alex replaces the loop with a zipped list of all values. Alex realizes this looks complicated and asks you to trust him. It will all work out. He tests the animation. That is almost right. There is one small tweak which will make it even better. The power function results in a parabol, and if the animation starts a little bit before the curve, the confetti will appear as if it is jumping a bit. And since this lowers the y value, Alex has to increase the starting y value a bit. So, what do you think? Would you like to see the result? Cool. A word on physics in games. Perhaps you have heard of game engines that can create these effects for you. But Alex took a different approach. A long time ago, a programmer told him something that he still remembers. Everything is just mathematics. Alex has learned that a simple sine and power function can create beautiful effects. And if simple is good enough, don't overcomplicate things. Talking about the sine function, Alex decides to use it to indicate the player has typed a wrong character. When a wrong character is typed, the first character of the word should shake a bit. Alex decides to use the sine function for this. Animations always happen over time. For the shake animation, the renderer needs to have a time variable. This animation takes 300 milliseconds and counts down to 0. So, when should it start? Look at the key pressed method. There is an if statement that deals with correct typed characters. So, if the character is not typed correctly, the animation should start. And now the update method can shake the character as long as the animation time is greater than 0. When the animation is done, Alex resets the rotation. Only one thing to do, and that is to import math. Alex tests typing wrong characters. Nice! Graphical effects are added to the game, and now it's time to finish the game. And to see how that works, click on the screen right now and we'll see each other in the next video.